my name is Santosh. I am the showroom manager for Sapphire Trading. Today, just a small introduction of how the Sapphire air conditioners work, the advantages, the difference how Sapphire makes. So I just want to take a small through what is the difference between the previous models and how Sapphire in the OEM version, in the original equipment manufacturer version, how it makes a difference. Now, this is the new model of Sapphire. First, let me tell you how Sapphire makes the difference. Okay. Now, when it comes to the Sapphire, okay, we are here from 35 years doing the business for Sapphire units, and Sapphire comes in different models like split air conditioners, ducted splits. You have the freestanding units. This is a freestanding unit. You have the wall type split units. Then you have the ducted split units. Okay, so we have the various versions of units. We have the chilled water fan coil units. We have the chilled water fan coil units even in the decorative part. Okay, so Sapphire definitely makes a difference. The best part of Sapphire is there are two major points. One is we give 2 years warranty on the unit and 5 years on the compressor, where Sapphire makes the difference. Secondly, when it comes to the refrigerant, now Sapphire has come with ozone friendly refrigerant, which is the R410. If you can get the camera a little bit closer, you can see this. This comes with the R410 refrigerant. Okay. Now coming to the shape and the decorum, the beauty part of the Sapphire indoor unit, you can see there is a sleek model, now the latest model. This is the previous. We are trying to make a difference of the previous model and the new model. Okay, this is the new one, this is the previous one. Now when it comes to the 2.5 ton or 3 ton, you can see this is a 3 ton unit, this is a 3 ton unit, this is the previous model. You can see this is a sleek type, okay, which has compacted. Now if you take the previous model, it is around 130 centimeters, okay, which is normally, if you take for the branded air conditioners, for 3 ton it comes to around 150 centimeters of the width. But when it comes to this unit, it's just only 110 centimeters you're having this, which is 1100 mm. Okay, so that makes the difference in the new model. Okay, and when it comes to, you see the shape of the unit, okay, it's an aerodynamic shape, okay, and it has the trimmed edge, okay, for the beauty of the unit. Okay, and this makes a difference in compared to other units. Okay, when and the best part, yes, as I told you, it comes with R410 refrigerant, of course, with the ozone free, which in the OEM versions, we are one of the main sales for, we are doing the major sales for R410 units in UAE. Now, when it comes to the inner part of the unit, how Sapphire, okay, you can see the LEDs. If you can have a closer look at the camera, you can see the fresh defrost run timer. These are all LEDs which glow when you turn on the unit. When you press with your remote the on, these are the LEDs which come up with a glow. Okay, and this makes, if I can show you in a closer look. Okay, now it comes with the oscillation. If you can put the camera down, you can see there is up and down oscillation there. Okay, when I can show you with a more better look, if you can have a closer look, you can see this. This is the antibacterial air filter, okay, which the new design of Sapphire came up with. If you take the earlier designs, we didn't have this antibacterial air filter, okay. And when you see a closer look of the coils, okay, I can just show you. It comes up with a bluefin coil. This was the bluefin coil. You can see the bluefin coil inside, and you can see this is the antibacterial air filter, okay, which actually helps the unit performance, and any type of bacteria, it will definitely take it out. Okay, so this is the coil. You can see the fin gap and all for a larger heat exchange, and this coil is made 52% extra than this coil. You may think the length is bigger in this and the length is shorter in this, the width is shorter in this, but this is a V-shaped coil where it has inside a high-speed motor. When you compare with this, the RPM in this is 25% more, which makes a larger airflow, which can cover up to 25 meters of airflow of the room. So in this, what happens is your room will cover, the cooling will cover the entire part of your room. Okay, it will not leave any corner. So the better the airflow, the better the cooling you get. That's the reason the better the motor it has. Okay. Now coming to the suction part, if you can just get the camera this side. Okay, you can see the opening is very fine here. It has a very good suction type, and if you can see the coil, it is a V-shaped coil. If you can just put the camera here, you can see the V-shaped coil, which actually the suction takes place here. Okay, this is the beauty of the Sapphire air conditioner, where it makes a difference. The sleek model is, it's actually the coil is bifurcated into two, into a V-shaped coil. If you can get a closer look of this coil, I feel it will be better. You can see this V shape here, which is actually making a difference of the size of the unit. The compact came of this, instead of going for a big length, now we have a V shape. It is, the coil is coming up and down. Okay, so this is what is the indoor unit. Okay, so this indoor unit, it has a better airflow. Okay, and it has a better efficiency. The larger fin area, okay, helps. I have not told you, like, it has a tray wherein it is very easy to service. Anytime you have any drain issues, you can just put the water and the drain pipe, we can clear it. It's not like other ACs where you have to open the entire unit up. It is very easy and very easy for the maintenance part. Okay, so this is about indoor unit. Okay, how it makes a difference. But when it comes to the Sapphire outdoor units, okay, they have the high quality. It comes with a rotary compressor, and yes, with the R410 refrigerant, which goes into the evaporator coil. And the best part is it is ESMA certified. You can see on the indoor unit and also on the outdoor unit. It is the UAE, the Dubai Emirates standardization and metrological certified units. Large propeller fan. You can see this, the large propeller fan for a better heat exchange. Okay, and when it comes to the coil, if I can turn this the other way, okay, you can see it has an extra double protection. Okay, and you can see the L-type condenser, which makes the difference for this. It is not like the big double fan units. The 3-ton comes with a single fan and with a bigger motor. Okay, for a better heat exchange. Okay, you can see this. If you can get the camera closer, you can see the bigger motor. You can see the bigger motor with the high width fan blades, okay, which is called the propeller fan blades. Okay, this is what is, and the best part of the Sapphire units is the high EER. You can get the camera this side, like, see, it's a high EER where it is certified by ESMA, where it is a high energy efficient ratio. It takes less power and it gives more better cooling. So the 5 major difference what Sapphire gets, it comes with a 2-year warranty on the unit with a 5 years on the compressor, where like other units, the OEMs or brands, they give only 1 year on the warranty on the unit. It has high ER for a better performance and a better thing. When you go for the freestanding units or the ducted models, or when you go to the split models, it has the bluefin coils, which makes a major difference. Okay, and always energy is very important, power. With less kilowatt, you get more output. So this is what is Sapphire air conditioners. I hope you enjoyed this video and you have a great time.